Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive, Caringbah, Sydney. I'm just going to show you today one of the actual one of the subscriber asked me a question about the actual this part here. Why can't I just take that out and replace it? I just want to show you why. Number one, there's a bolt underneath there. So this is one of the actual. This is how it looks like. This is an old one that I keep to show, and there's a part number there. Alright, this is what I mean. So if you look in there, there's a bolt that sits down, this one here. See that bolt there? It's underneath there, and this part here has to go on the front. And then so when you install this, you have to actually push that in like that into here. I can't take that out because this part here must go into there. So you got to put the cover on the actual front cover, that plastic cover at the back, on this front cover, engine front cover there, which is the whole thing there. And then you got to actually push that cover with this, with that already mounted. You got to push it onto that one, and then you mount the front cover. That's the reason why. Because there's no, you can't just put it on now. Because look at it. It's got to go. This part here has to go in there, and then you push it in, and then you actually install the front cover. That's why you can't just do it. You can't just remove this and put the new one, because that part there has to go into here. See the O-ring? There's no O-ring here. You can't see the O-ring. That part of the O-ring has to go in like that. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.